Now we're also getting you the story of how in Kashmir, because roads are now cut off due to snowfall, there was a group of villagers who came together to carry the mortal remains of an army jawan's mother. It's a rare display of unity where a group of people walked about 70 kilometers to take the body of an army jawan's mother to her village in North Kashmir's Tangda. Tangda remains cut off from the rest of the country due to heavy snowfall. What's tragic is that Army Jawan, a local Kashmiri, had to remain stranded for 3 days with the mortal remains of his mother. The 60-year-old woman from Karna died in Pathankot, where her son was posted a few days back. For 3 nights, her son kept her body in an army barrack, hoping the road to her home is cleared of snow.
हमने एक डेड बॉडी को लेकर टंगडार जाना था। हम टंगडार के रहने वाले हैं, लेकिन हमारी मदद किसी ने नहीं की। ये देख लो इस टाइम डेड बॉडी को कहां पे रखा हुआ है। हमारी गवर्नमेंट कोई मदद नहीं कर रही,
नहीं कोई एमएलए है,
ना कोई एमएलए कर रहा है, कोई भी नहीं। डेड बॉडी को किस तरह पिछले 5 दिन से डेड बॉडी ऐसे छोड़ते हुए चल रहे हैं। हम गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमारी मदद की जाए।
My colleague Shuja joining us on this story. Shuja, it's very tragic that even for the final rights, a son has to fight brutally against the system for his mother.
Well, absolutely. They've been a very tragic, how this son had to suffer, because of the apathy of the government and the authorities. He got stranded in Kupwara for at least 3 days. He would take the dead body of his mother from one place to another, try to plead with the district officials that they should do something for him. Devina, let me tell you that just a day before yesterday, there was a huge event that was organized by the government in Gulmarg, where the VVIPs were flown in with the help of choppers. So one can only beg an answer from the government that if choppers are available for VVIPs to be flown into places like Gulmarg, why wasn't a chopper pressed into service so that this son could take his mother's dead body for a decent burial to his home? There are so many choppers available with the army, with the authorities here in Kashmir that one can see. But for this common man, clearly, when it comes to help, they somehow are disappeared.
And Shuja, take us through the ordeal these people must have faced, because it's a group of 70 people, and they also claimed in one of the reports that they waited for a chopper. They did raise a demand for a chopper so that there could be a decent burial to this woman, but they had to trudge that body along the entire route, and it took them over 10 hours to reach Tangdar amidst that heavy snowfall, amidst the challenges of the inclement weather.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's where the challenge lied for this son who carried his, mother's dead body all the way from Pathankot. Remember, Pathankot is, close to about 300 kilometers away from Srinagar, and then from Srinagar to Kupwara, it's another 100 kilometers. So he managed to reach to Kupwara, but got stuck in Kupwara for close to 3 days. In fact, some of them were complaining constantly that they do not want the dead body of the mother to be lying on the road or to be treated like this. They pleaded with the authorities. They went to the deputy commissioner's office, constantly reminded him that, here is the situation. We have a dead body with us. We need some sort of a help. The least that the government could have done is pushed in a chopper into service. And it wasn't bad weather all the time. I was pointing out to you, there were sorties that were made to places like Gulmarg. Why couldn't
Absolutely.
a helicopter go?
A Jawan serving the nation deserves the proper respect for his mother as well. He's given his life for the nation. And here you have the VVIPs taking advantage of the sorties instead of making a single chopper available for the son's wish to give his mother a decent burial in the valley. We continue tracking the story, Shuja, and also asking questions. Why is it that in spite of the request being raised for a chopper, it wasn't made available? 50 kilometers, over 50 kilometers, 70 villagers had to trek, bearing the mortal remains of this woman for over 10 hours amidst the snow. Will that be done for a VVIP case as well?